for some reasons, best known to the adorers from Enugu. They started putting up some write-ups and some videos of Evangelist Ebuka Obi moving with police escort, why Elijah from Enugu doesn't move with any police escort. Now, what they try to make out of it is what I am yet to understand. Because what really took me time before I started making a post concerning that today, I was just trying to understand what is the point that these guys are trying to make by saying that Evangelist Ebuka Obi move with police escort, but Elijah Enugu doesn't move with police escort. What point or where exactly are they driving to? Where are they driving? Which lane are they trying to move so that I can understand? I did not see anywhere they are going. Does it mean that the Evangelist Ebuka Obi is fake because of that and Elijah is real? Or does it mean that Elijah is fake and Ebuka Obi is real? I don't understand why. Now, because they have tried to make a point, so much point out of nothing, especially after I saw a post yesterday, I decided to actually make a research myself. And I searched and digged up some videos, and I saw the big man moving with police officers escorting and guarding the vehicle. One of them was the video they posted just to show us. They kept on tagging me, Joa, and every other person for us to come and see how simple he moves, how people were greeting him, how, in fact, they wanted to show us that he is street credible. And he was driving in a Corolla 2005. It was him driving. And I saw police officers with the Ejike guarding the Corolla. Yes. And I did not post a video. All I did was to take a screenshot. Yes. Look closely in that screenshot. If you like, I can send another one. You will see people who and other security people, even bouncers. They were there. Some were in front, some not behind, while some are around the Corolla. And I took a screenshot and I said, they said that Oga doesn't move with security. This person that is wearing is that Ezugo? That was the post I made though. And they started raining insult again on me. It was you people who started alleging. Now I have helped you people to make a point now. The worst part of these people is that they will never rest. They will keep digging. Now, let me make this threat, and you can prove me otherwise if you think you can. I have never alleged anything against Elijah Enugu. You can never see where I alleged anything against Elijah Enugu. You can only see where I picked a video and I used that video to pass a message, not even a destructive one, but a constructive one, only if you can listen with your sense. But we have many people who wash with their emotions. They would rather choose not to be unreasonable. You will never see me. It has been them all along. Ebuka Obi RNG. They are the people who are alleging. Even some of the videos I make, it is me trying to dismantle a heap of lies that they level at Evangelist Ebuka Obi. They will turn back and they will start acting victims. So tell me the wrong that I did by showing them where Baba no on a movement with police officers. What is there in moving with police officers? Have we ever seen the convoy of Fadede? Does that show that Fadede is scared or that Fadede is a fake man of God? Have you ever seen his convoy? Have you seen his convoy? He's a reverend father. You see? Does that mean that he's scared? I am asking you, my dear. Answer me. So some of these points they raise, I don't really know where they are driving with it. It's either you are jealous of Evangelist Ebuka Obi and their life is living. Some time ago, you were showing us the Corolla. I want to tell you that Range Rover and that BMW, you see Evangelist Ebuka Obi use regularly, is one of the lowest car in his fleet. If you want to see the fleet of cars that man had, you will shout. Somebody gave him an electric car. Is it an electric car? What is the name of that car? Have you ever seen him use it? He has a lot of heavy cars that he doesn't use. The one only use is the least in the fleet of cars. You can only see him ride with that innocent G-Guard and other hefty cars if he's going down to East, or maybe he's going to the airport, or he's going on some aside. But you mostly see him come with the same car or two different cars, always. Except sometimes he will like to change. After all, those are his cars. Some point you people are trying to make doesn't make any sense at all. Now some of them started alleging again. No, it was the day he came to Odumba estate owned by Baby Yoko, and I told that person, no, that day he came with a Toyota Hilux. Somebody said, it was police officers that are on a roadblock. I say it's a lie. There is no checkpoint around that place. Those police officers were clearly moving with him, clearing people for protocols. For reasons best known to him, he can choose to move to go some places without security men. And sometimes when he's going for an official assignment, especially when he is moving out a distance from where he operates from, he may decide to go with security escort. Depending, that does not prove anything. That does not prove anything. Tell me even why Evangelist Ebuka Obi will not have security escort. We even need to increase them more. He needs more DSS, he needs more army, and he needs more police. Because you guys are up to something. Yes, you guys are up to something. So he needs to be on guard physically and spiritually. So you guys should stop running from pillar to post. And when I make a post, you come to my comment section and you start insulting yourself, thinking that you are insulting me. Yeah? Thinking that you are insulting me. Every day, Ebuka Obi this, Ebuka Obi that. One mention, who is even doing comparison with you guys? I don't have, who have, no time, either make comparison with you people. Who are you comparing? Who and who are you doing comparison for? Who and who are you doing comparison for? You see? So I just wanted to clear the air so that you will understand. No matter how you people try to make it, no be me. I'm stubborn normally. I'm stubborn normally. But my own stubbornness, I can be over constructive. Show me one video where I have alleged something against Elijah Enugu, and I will stop talking about him at all. I've stopped talking about him, but it's just that once in a while, I will come out again and help you people to activate to the next gear. So tell me, he uses escort, he doesn't use escort. What point does it make? Where are you driving to? What point are you exactly trying to make? Answer yourself that question, then you can go in and sleep. Leave one or ZOB, he is very busy. There is a very big event coming in Ngobala, and he's getting ready for that. Don't twist it. It is about that time of the year again when some of you will shed more tears. You will shed more tears. You will cry again. It's just few weeks to go. Let the count begin. Share this video.